and welcome back to QrepubliC. Today is October 11, 2021, Monday. Umpisa na naman po ng ating week, and today naging maganda yung ating first day kasi na-breakout natin completely yung ating 7,000 area after naman yan ng ating selling pressure last Thursday and Friday. Sa ating foreign indicator, selling po tayo today ng around 818 million pesos. So parang binawi lang po yung ating buying last Friday, and technically may selling pressure pa rin po tayong na-observe dito sa ating net foreign indicator. Sa ating news today, our traders believe that market could gain momentum from the easing of restrictions and fewer cases of COVID-19. And this week rin, babantayan ng ating mga investors yung magiging decision ng ating government if magtutuloy pa ba yung ating restriction from the level 4 or baka naman pwede nang i-lift kahit pa paano yung restriction going to level 3. So malaki po yung pwede maging role neto sa pag-breakout ng ating 7,000 level completely. And dito rin sa news na nakuha natin today, ang downside na pwede nating ma-incorporate sa takbo ng ating PSEI sa ngayon is yung high price ng ating oil. So yung global oil natin is mataas yung presyo, indicating na meron tayong inflation. And based on this article as well, kapag nakaya nating mag-trade above 6,950 area, possible nating i-test yung 7,000 to 7,100 area, which actually happened today. So more on regaining of momentum po yung ating na-observe. So more on positive po yung ating naging result today. And pretty much bumalik po tayo dito sa ating uptrend channel na binabantayan sa ating PSEI. Pero ganun pa man, be advised that we are currently in the resistance area. So dapat more on observation po tayo as of the moment. And plus yung ating net foreign indicator as well, meron tayong selling pressure. So buying may not be a good option as of the moment. Dapat observation lang talaga muna, and hopefully regain natin completely yung ating momentum at ma-breakout natin completely yung ating 7,000 to 7,100 area. So ganun pa man, pwede natin actually unahan yung possible na maging reaction ng ating mga investors. So ang unang indicator natin dyan is if ma-maintain ba natin yung pagbaba ng ating mga cases, and hopefully nga po is mas bumaba pa ng below 10,000 yung ating mga COVID cases. Kasi kung hindi, malamang is mag-consolidate lang po muna tayo. At ang yung support na tinitingnan po natin dito sa ating PSEI, dito banda sa ating moving average 50. So yan po yung ating mga babantayan. Kaya naman po, let us continue to monitor our market, be wiser than we are yesterday, and continue to invest for our future.
For ACEN, our momentum is still strong and market still forming higher highs. Net foreign is still consistent and buying tayo today ng around 78 million pesos. For momentum trader, we can still continue to hold or to buy as the momentum is still active. Green flags pa rin po yung makikita natin sa ating mga indicator. So ang immediate support po natin is at 12.10 area. So any price near that area is good to buy. However, if we want to be on the safe side or weighing some of the red flags, buying is not an option kasi in general eyes, masyado na mataas yung itinaas natin, so any moment prone tayo sa buhusan. Second, fundamentally speaking, our price to book value or price earning ratio is mataas na for ACEN, so prone po tayo for major correction any moment. And sa ating mga holders dito kay ACEN, if our average is 11 pesos below, option po natin mag-hold kasi maganda pa naman yung ating momentum. So baka sakaling tumaas pa siya. And yung average naman natin is ideal pa to hold dahil in case man magkaroon ng major correction, we have enough time pa to exit. So yan po yung mga pwede po natin i-consider kay ACEN Energy. For Converge, maganda yung bounce na ginawa ng market after dipping below moving average 50 dito sa ating red line. And technically speaking, nakabalik po siya sa ating previous uptrend channel yung ating closing price. Sa ating net foreign indicator, nabawasan na rin po yung ating selling pressure kasi for the past 2 trading days, massive po talaga yung ating naging selling volume. And buying tayo today ng around 3 million pesos. First thing that we have to understand, prone po tayo for profit taking tomorrow, especially sa mga nakabili sa ating low area today at hindi pa nakapag-TP kanina. Kasi gain pa rin sila ng at least 10%. And dun din sa mga naipit sa mataas na area, especially 44 pesos pataas, possible din sila humabol o exit bukas. Kasi sa ngayon, mix of buyers and sellers po yung pwede nating ma-expect. Especially nagkaroon tayo ng major correction. So nandyan yung fear, emotion natin. Kumbaga wala tayong concrete buyers, hati sa buyers and sellers. So possible, itong 37 peso area natin is our strong resistance as of the moment. And fundamentally speaking, yung ating price to book value and price earnings ratio dito kay Converge is prone for profit taking na rin talaga. So, one of the reasons din siya, kasi aside po sa fact na nakapag-lock-in gains na yung ating mga holders or mga short-term holders, plus yung lock-in IPO ni Coherent Cloud na nag-expire na. So, talagang prone for correction na po siya. So, we have yet to find out anong level tayo mag-stabilize. Kasi sa ngayon, kagaya po ng sinabi natin, mix pa rin tayo ng buyers and sellers. So, hindi naman siya concrete sellers, pero hindi rin siya concrete buyers. So, we are in consolidation. And yung consolidation natin is medyo heading towards down. Nagkaroon lang tayo ng major bounce today. And apparently, possible pa rin na hindi pa rin tayo makalusot sa ating 37 peso area because of the major correction nga po na nangyari sa atin. So, may mga naipit sa mataas na area, and then meron namang mga nag-repurchase kanina sa ating low, which is 10% pa nga rin po silang gain, which is pwede rin silang umexit bukas. Kaya naman, buying is not an option as of this time, and more on TP po tayo dito kay Converge or average down once na nag-stable na po yung ating price, kasi maganda naman company itong si Converge. Pero brace ourselves na more likely magiging mabagal yung paggalaw natin dito kay Converge for the meantime. So yan naman po yung ating mga tinitingnan na possible scenario dito kay Converge. For PHA, tuluyan na po nating na-breakdown yung 0.90 area na binabantayan natin the last time to make this sideways workable. So unfortunately, downtrend channel na po yung ating guide, and this is due to our weak momentum. Currently, the market is testing the 0.80 area, and for the recent time, ginagawa po natin siyang support. So hopefully, yan po yung maging support na natin dito for PHA. Sa ating price to book value naman or price earnings ratio, mababa naman po yung value na nakita natin dito. So we are good to buy. So sa ngayon, technical side po siya magandang bantayan, and sa mga news or catalyst na rin, just like sa nakita nating news dito kay Bilyonaryo today. So apparently delayed pa rin po yung ating Squid Pay technology dito kay PHA. So one of the factor din po ito kung bakit weak yung ating momentum kay PHA. Pero for the meantime, maganda siyang bantayan. So pagandaan na lang po ng pasok dito kay PHA, and more patience, and syempre mas maganda makaipon tayo ng maraming shares dito sa right price para pag akyat po niya is mas maging profitable po tayo. For PLDT, based on our candlesticks, undecided ang ating market if aakyat pa ba tayo or hindi, pero based on the body that we are creating recently, lamang po ng konti yung ating mga sellers. So meron po tayong early stage ng selling pressure na nakikita Net foreign indicator wise, may consistency naman tayo nakikita sa support and buying tayo today ng around 25 million pesos. As of the moment, though humihina yung ating momentum kasi nagpo-form tayo ng ating lower highs in the current time and yun nga po meron tayong selling pressure. Pero general momentum, okay pa naman tayo and yung ating uptrend channel is still intact. Plus, we have a good support sa ating foreign investors. So, hold and buy are still our option as of this time dito kay PLDT. Although yung possible lowest na pwede natin ma-expect is pwede siyang umabot hanggang dito sa ating support, 1,612 area. So, meron pa rin namang tendency na ma-breakdown natin itong ating uptrend channel. So, if ever, yan naman yung magandang area natin to buy. And also, puro good news din po yung ating nare-receive kay PLDT. So, for today, we have two new articles. First one is yung partnership niya kay ICTSI. So, they said that their 5G technology can also be used in logistics. And dito naman sa ating second news is yung award that they got from Omlot benchmarking survey. So, si Smart Communications has been awarded as the best network. So, ilalagay po natin itong news natin sa ating description box para we can read further. For ICT, so nalaman po natin kanina sa review natin kay PLDT na meron silang partnership and gagamitan po nila ng 5G technology yung kanilang logistics. So, good news po yan as they are going to improve their service through 5G technology. Sa ating technicals, meron po tayong selling pressure na nakikita especially today and last Friday as our volume is really high. Matamlay din po yung ating momentum kasi moving average 50 na po yung sumusupport sa atin and yung nagiging resistance na natin is moving average 9 and 20. Sa ating net foreign indicator, apparently wala po tayong support from our foreigns and selling tayo today ng around 62 million pesos. Mataas din po yung ating price to book value and price earnings ratio as of the moment kay ICT. So apparently magtutuloy pa po yung ating correction. So looking ahead, high likely ma-breakdown natin yung ating lower border and possible nating i-test itong 170 peso area. But I think we could go lower down pa sa ating 154 peso area soon kasi doon tayo merong strong support. So hindi naman po siya biglaan, meron mga bounce play din tayo ma-expect. So maybe a month or two, pwede pa tayong pumunta dyan sa 154 peso area. So more on observation po muna tayo and TP kay ICT in case na gain na po tayo sa kanya. For URC, sa ating monthly time frame, mixed of trends po yung ating makita. So meron tayong downtrend in the long term and uptrend channel together with sideways in the short to medium term. So since nag-form na tayo ng ating uptrend or itong ating sideways, ibig sabihin may momentum na tayong ginagawa currently dito kay URC. So I think pwede naman nating i-disregard na itong si downtrend channel natin. But of course, this will still remain the risk that we can consider dito kay URC. So balik po tayo dito sa ating daily time frame. Weak pa rin po yung ating momentum as generally we are still trading under moving average 200. Pero ang maganda naman dito is magkakadikit na yung ating mga moving averages. So makita natin na nagko-consolidate na tayo. Hence, pwede tayong magkaroon or makita natin na meron tayong strong support at 128 peso area. So isa rin tong si URC sa maganda nating bantayan or pag-ipunan ng shares or pag-investan as of the moment. Kasi any moment din, pwede tayong mag-regain ng momentum sa kanya. So buy and hold po yung pwede natin maging options for URC. And also for our latest news kay URC, naging maganda yung kanilang program when it comes to potato program, particularly for our farmers. Kasi dito sa article na to, nakapag-harvest yung ating mga farmers ng 10 to 15 kilos of potato per year from just 3 to 4 kilos seeds. So napakaganda pong investment yung nagagawa ng ating mga farmers. So successful po yung kanilang program, and you can also check the link into our description box dito sa video natin to read this news further. For Macro Asia, maganda yung nakikita natin sa kanya as the market strive hard recently at na-breakout po natin lahat ng moving averages, and ngayon po, ngayong araw is nagko-consolidate tayo dito sa ating moving average 200. So nung nag-dip tayo around 4.20 area, nagkaroon na po tayo ng maraming buyers, kaya naman nagkaroon tayo ng sunod-sunod na pagtaas, indicating na meron tayong good numbers of buyers currently dito kay Macro Asia. Bagamat nagkaroon tayo ng selling pressure last Friday, pero volume-wise, hindi naman siya ganun ka-strong. So I think we may have a good run dito kay Macro Asia soon. Kaya naman, more on hold or buy yung pwede natin maging options kay Macro Asia. And good area kung saan tayo mas magandang bumili is around 4.80. So yan po yung ating magandang area kasi dyan tayo may magandang support. So if ever bumaba yung ating price dyan mas magandang bumili ng shares. And congrats po sa mga nakapagbantay at hintay dito kay Macro Asia. And also, just to add up, yung recent news natin sa kanya is mapapalitan si Joseph Chua, which is their COO currently. Ang papalit po sa kanya is si Eduardo Luis Tan Lui, which is apo naman ni Lucio Tan. So nothing much, pero good to know info lang siya. And you can also read this news further sa link dito sa ating description box dito sa ating video. For JFC, technical-wise, maganda yung momentum na ginagawa natin as we keep on forming higher lows. So, meron po tayong ma-observe na uptrend channel. Yun nga lang, hindi ganun ka-strong yung ating momentum kasi mabagal yung ating nagiging galaw. And for the time being, may kita natin na marami tayong sellers pagdating sa 210 peso area. So, last Friday, solid sellers yung na-observe natin. And then today, hindi pa rin tayo concrete buyers kasi hindi natin na-sustain yung ating high price. So marami pa rin po nagbenta at 210 peso area and na-compress down na nga po yung ating closing price today. Sa ngayon, if nakabili na tayo kay JFC, in case man na gusto pa natin magdagdag, I think wag muna not until ma-clear natin yung 210 peso area. Kasi more likely, if hindi pa rin tayo magkaroon ng solid buyers, at dito sa ating uptrend channel, baka ma-breakdown natin yung ating midline or bumaba pa tayo further sa ating lower border. So, in case man, doon magandang magdagdag ng shares o bumili ng shares dito kay JFC. So, hold is a good option for JFC as of this time naman. For MONDE, currently, it seems na pareha sila ng takbo ni Converge. So, mataas po yung ating price to book value and price earnings ratio sa kanya as of the moment, which we can relate sa ating major concern or major correction recently aside sa ating foreigns na nagbenta rin ng shares sa kanya nung nagkaroon tayo ng major correction. Kasi kung napanood niyo po yung ating previous video, nalaman po natin na isa sa mga reasons is meron nga pong parang arrangement sa pagbenta ng shares dito kay MONDE, kaya naman po nagkaroon tayo ng parang first major correction kasi last week parang nagkaroon tayo or nasundan siya ng pangalawang major correction. So technical analysis wise, the market is trying its best to regain its momentum. So makita po natin ilang trading days din po natin mini-maintain na wag ma-breakdown completely yung ating moving average 20, yung ating blue line. And today, we are trading up naman above moving average 20, pati na rin moving average 9. And maintaining na rin na wag tayo bumalik dito sa ating previous uptrend channel kasi sa ngayon, we still manage to trade above it. So, yan yung struggle ng ating market currently. Yun nga lang, I don't think na magandang option ang bumili kay MONDE as of this time. Kasi sa ngayon nakita natin na hirap yung ating market i-break out completely ito nga pong area na to, yung around 18.60. So if ever, observe muna tayo sa kanya. Hopefully, ma-maintain natin itong 18.60 area this week. Plus, mag-create tayo ng ating mga higher low. So kung di man tayo maka-create ng parang solid bullish candlestick, at least mga higher lows yung ma-create natin this week. Kasi in that way, malalaman natin na striking pa rin yung kanyang momentum. Pero if hindi natin siya magawa, high likely yung risk na tinitingnan natin is ma-breakdown natin completely itong 18.60 area at siya yung ating magiging strong resistance. So yan po yung ating babantayan kay MONDE for this week.